Big AI news alert. The world is about to change. Again. If you thought ChatGPT and Google's AI tools were game changers, wait until you hear about DeepSeek, the newest AI making waves. Everybody is talking about it everywhere, but do you know how it's about to change your travels? Today, we're separating hype from reality. What can AI tools like DeepSeek do for travelers? Let's break it down. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where we help you travel smarter and live free. If you love travel news, budget travel, travel hacks, and financial freedom, hit that subscribe button. Today, we're uncovering 5 ways to use AI for your travel adventures. No tech degree required. So what exactly is DeepSeek, and how is it different from other AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini? Glad you asked. Think of ChatGPT as the chatty friend who knows a little about everything, and Gemini as the Google-obsessed cousin. DeepSeek, it's the polyglot globetrotter who speaks over 50 languages, cracks insider travel hacks, and knows the difference between cheap and cheap but actually good. Born in China, this AI was built to understand and generate information more accurately, especially in multiple languages, and this could be huge for travelers. It was trained on 10 times more non-English data than most tools, mastering everything from Swahili slang to Cantonese street food orders. But yes, a big but here. Transparency matters. DeepSeek's data as of January 31st, 2025 is current up to July 2024. So while it's powerful for planning, always verify real-time details like prices, visa requirements, or attraction closures. That said, here's how AI could enhance your next adventure. First, flights so cheap your wallet will throw a party. Flight prices change constantly, but DeepSeek could predict price drops with better accuracy than current tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner, helping budget travelers save big on flights and accommodations. But tools like Google Flights or Hopper, which track live prices, are still essential. Pro tip: use DeepSeek to spot patterns, then set alerts on Hopper for real-time deals. Example: it predicted a 12% price dip for Tokyo flights in June 2024, but you'll need Hopper to catch the 2025 sale. Number 2, ultra-personalized travel itineraries. Right now, AI trip planners exist, but DeepSeek could take it to the next level. It could analyze your travel history, budget, and interest to craft a super personalized itinerary. Ask DeepSeek for 3 days in Rome, gluten-free, no crowds, and air conditioning. It'll craft a solid draft using pre-2024 data. So always cross-check with 2025 blogs or local sites like Roaming for updated hours or closures. AI is a starting point, not a final plan. Next, visa. Help without the headache? Some countries already use AI in visa applications, but DeepSeek's advanced document recognition could make the process even smoother, reducing delays and errors. While DeepSeek could help organize visa documents, like spotting expired passports, always use official portals like Sherpa Visa or government sites for requirements. The new UK ETA that started on January 2025? DeepSeek won't know, but Sherpa updates in real time. Number 4, scammers get smarter, but so does AI. DeepSeek's enhanced fraud detection could help identify common scams in different regions, whether it's fake taxi rates, ATM skimmers, or online booking scams. DeepSeek's fraud detection is trained on scams up to mid-2024. Pair it with TripAdvisor's review checker or FakeSpot to spot 2025's fake reviews. Example: that luxury Bali villa with 500 glowing reviews? DeepSeek flags generic phrases. FakeSpot analyzes reviewer history. Finally, number 5, last but not the least on the list. DeepSeek's enhanced multilingual processing can help travelers avoid embarrassing translation fails and negotiate better prices like a local. Google Translate once told me to ask for spicy husband instead of hot sauce in Mexico. DeepSeek? It masters cultural nuance. In Japan, it teaches you to bow after saying arigato, which means thank you. In Italy, how to order espresso without getting side-eye. For offline help, iTranslate works in over 100 languages. To summarize, DeepSeek's multilingual skills are impressive, thanks to its non-English training. but Google Translate and iTranslate still lead for real-time conversation. Use DeepSeek to learn cultural nuances, like bowing in Japan, but keep iTranslate handy for menus. And tell me in the comments, how do you feel about AI shaping the future of travel? Excited or skeptical? Let's chat. So, AI is a tool, not a crystal ball. Use it wisely, verify critical details, and stay empowered. What's your take? Can AI enhance travel, or is it all hype? Let's chat in the comments. Hit subscribe if you're ready to travel 2025 style, smarter, cheaper, and scam-free. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.